The following is the automatic reclosing experiment of the power supply system of ZE3191. Here is the wiring. First, we use U-shaped bridge to connect the main circuit. The following is the connection of the measurement part. Okay, the measurement part is connected. Next, we connect the control part. The control part mainly uses LV3. We also use the SA2 switch. The following is the wiring to it. The two overcurrent relays KA1 and KA2 are mainly used here. Through these two overcurrent relays, it will control the time relay timing. KA1 and KA2 are both overcurrent relays. Both are used as triggers. We connected in parallel. The two signals are combined together, and then a time relay is connected in series. The time relay is timed. When an overcurrent force occurs, it will delay and make a judgment. After delaying for a certain period of time, the time relay is normally open, and then the pulse relay KL1 is controlled. Then use the pulse relay to control Q2, which is normally open. KA3 is also used here. KA3 is an undercurrent relay, which is the one with the red light on. When the current is small, after a period of delay, it makes a judgment and then gives a signal to KL1. When a fault occurs after the undercurrent relay is disconnected, it will count the time. After the timing time is long, it will power on again. These two relays are used to judge whether there is overcurrent and disconnect the circuit breaker, and it delays for a period of time after disconnection to determine the undercurrent status, and then powers up again. Okay, connection completed. We need to set the overcurrent relay and undercurrent relay. We set the overcurrent of KA1 to 0.5, KA2 also 0.5. The time of KA1 and KA2 are both 0.1. Undercurrent of KA3 is 0.1. That is, if it is less than 0.1, it is undercurrent. And if it is greater than 0.1, it is not undercurrent. The time is set to 6 seconds. Power on. KA2 is not turned on. Turn on Q2. The low light is on. Let's take a look at the current of PA 11, 12, and 13. PA 12 is now 0.02 because it stopped after arriving here. Here it is mainly supplied by phase 1 wire, so the current of phase 1 is 0.58. And this stops here, and there is no more after that, so it is 0, but it does not affect the experiment. First, we simulate a short circuit in the A phase line. Open case 3. You can see that after the short circuit, K1 starts timing and starts to take action. But it didn't time because we didn't turn on SA2. SA2 is a switch in the entire system. Only after it is turned on can the automatic reclosing system operate. Open case 3. Phase A fault occurs. Let's take a look. The time relay is timing here. The power is out now. Now the undercurrent is timed again. Okay, automatic reclosing. Because the fault was not eliminated, it was performed again. Continuing to cut off power, continue to reclosing, and continue to operate. Only when the fault is eliminated, we can see that there is no fault and normal operation. When we set up the fault, the power went out. We have eliminated this fault, and it will wait for a period of time before powering on again. The automatic reclosing will not be closed until we close SA2. Let's demonstrate K4 again. That is, phase C among these 3 phases is short-circuited. Again, now Ka2 starts timing. Then the power is cut off, the undercurrent starts timing, and then the power is turned on again. Ka2 starts fault again. It is a cycle. Until the fault is eliminated, it will not be powered off after it automatically repowers on. Let's look at K5 again. K5 has a front-end fault. It means the front end of the coil fault. Open. When the front end fails, it does not work because the current transformer detects the back end. If the front end is short-circuited, it will not work. After the experiment is completed, we turn it off and troubleshoot. It should be noted that 2 faults cannot be set at the same time, only can be set one by one. If set at the same time, it will short-circuit. After the experiment is completed, the first thing is to close SA2, and then turn it off, and it doesn't work. The voltage will keep jumping, but it doesn't work. Then close here.